All right, let's look at the homework 8.4 following function here. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we have, so y prime is equal to, 5 is just a constant multiple here. So I'm going to just put 5 in front. Then we're going to try to take the derivative of the first guy because we have to use the product rule. So here, this is the first guy. This is the second guy, right? So derivative of the first guy is just e to the negative 9x squared multiplied by derivative of the power, which would be negative 18x, right? Multiplied by second, so you have a cotangent of x, right? Plus, first guy is e to the negative 9x squared multiplied by derivative of cotangent of x would be negative cosecant squared of x. Right, so we got that. All right, then we can just clean up a little bit here. So this is going to be 5 was already there. All right, then we have exponential function here. So e to the negative 9x squared, e to the negative 9x squared. So we're going to have e to the negative 9x squared. And actually also there's a negative sign here. So I'm going to take care of that negative sign here and also negative sign there. I'm going to put the negative sign in front. All right. So what's left is 18x cotangent of x plus cosecant squared of x. All right. So let's check the answer here. All right, so we have negative 5 e to the negative 9x squared, right? And then we're going to have to 18x, right? Then we have cotangent, so times cotangent of x, and plus cosecant squared of x. All right, here. All right, so let's check the answer here. So I'm going to go submit for testing. Oh, shoot. I lost the internet connection again, but I'm going to check with the GeoGebra here. All right, so sorry about the poor internet connection here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a computer algebra system window. All right, so I'm going to just close this, and I don't think we need that. All right, so I'm going to just define f of x. So f of x is equal to, we have 5 times e to the negative 9x squared, then multiplied by cotangent of x. Right? So I'm going to hit enter. Right? Then we take the derivative of this guy. So we have f prime of x. Right? So end up getting this. Let's see. This is actually, all right, hold on. Hopefully this will work. Simplify. F prime of x. All right, so it looks like that. All right, so let's see. All right, so you see a cotangent of x right here, right? And here, negative 90, so you have negative 5 times 18x, so you have a negative 90x, and then you have a cosine of x, sine of x, that gives you cotangent. All right, then you have, let's see, let's see, what else do we have? Multiply right here. You have a 5, so negative 5, 1 over sine squared, so that's cosecant of x. So I would say this is the equivalent, but it's kind of hard to tell. But believe me, this is the correct answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.